Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a pastel unicorn donut using polymer clay. So let's get started. Firstly, take the colour you're going to be using for the base of your donut and flatten it into a dome. The colour I'm using is Vanilla by Fimo. Use a needle tool to position in the centre where you would like the whole of the donut, and then you can make it bigger using a larger dotting tool. Add some texture to the donut using a toothbrush, texturing tool or a ball of foil and gently pat it onto the clay. You can also add some shading by dusting on some chalk pastel powder with a fluffy paintbrush. To begin making the icing, take some white polymer clay and roll it down into a sheet with your rolling pin. To help keep the edges smooth, I'm firstly covering the clay with a piece of Glad wrap and then cutting out a piece using my flower-shaped cookie cutter. Position the icing onto the donut and then you can recreate the hole with your dotting tool again. To make the pastel frosting for the unicorn, I'm taking some white polymer clay and mixing in some of my Sculpey Bacon Bond, which is a liquid clay, and this will almost create kind of like a thick paste. I then divided it up into 3 sections and then coloured each section using a chalk pastel. Of course, I decided to use pink, blue and purple. Now you can simply add small portions of the mixtures to the top of the donut to create the unicorn icing. For the ears, I shaped some white polymer clay into a diamond and then cut it in half so that I ended up with 2 even triangles. I used gold polymer clay for the horn and rolled 2 teardrops, which I then twisted together and added to the donut. For the eyes, I rolled some thin sections of black clay onto a sheet of paper, which makes it easier because of the friction. Each eye is just simply a curved coil of clay plus a small piece on each end for an eyelash. If you would like to make your donut into a charm, go ahead and add an eye pin to the top and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. Finally, after baking, secure the eye pin with some super glue and then add some glaze for some extra shine. And then that's everything for this tutorial, and this is what my finished unicorn donut ended up looking like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!